Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get free shipping on Shein. So first step you need to do is to open the Shein app. So once you open, so how you can get a free shipping. So basically you need to make a purchase of more than $10 on to your Shein. So here you can see different items. So I want to purchase this for example. So I'm going to add to my cart. Click on add to cart, add some more items so that I have a big order. Okay, so let me select the size, click on add to cart. Okay, so now we are going to back on to the cart and select all the items that we have, and so we are going to increase the quantity. Okay, and go on to the checkout. So once you are on checkout, here you can see that shipping granted $0.99. So basically you need to make a purchase as big as you can to get the free shipping. So if we are going to increase the quantity, here you can see that free shipping. So now you can see that if we are going to purchase order of $70, we will get free shipping. So this is the process to get free shipping on Shein. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.